back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we bring you the most beautiful, modern, and luxurious homes across the United States. If you love luxury living, elegant design, and dream homes that inspire, you're in the right place. Today, we are excited to showcase an absolutely stunning modern luxury home that perfectly blends contemporary architecture with comfort, style, and functionality. This home is designed for those who appreciate clean lines, open spaces, and a refined lifestyle, all wrapped in a timeless blue and gray color palette. Before we begin the tour, make sure to like this video, subscribe to American Dream Mansions, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new luxury home as soon as it hits the market. Now, let's start with a breathtaking drone day view of the property. From above, you can truly appreciate the home's modern architecture, sleek rooflines, and premium exterior finishes. The blue and gray tones give this mansion a sophisticated and upscale look, while the expansive layout highlights both privacy and elegance. This is the kind of home that makes a statement the moment you arrive. As we move toward the front entrance, you're welcomed by a grand, modern doorway framed with glass and stone accents. The entrance feels open, inviting, and luxurious, setting the tone for what's waiting inside. The clean landscaping and designer lighting add a polished, high-end curb appeal that's very popular in today's American luxury real estate market. Step inside, and you're greeted by a stunning open-concept living room. This space is filled with natural light thanks to the large floor-to-ceiling windows. The blue and gray interior theme creates a calm yet upscale atmosphere, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining guests. High ceilings and modern finishes make this living area feel spacious, airy, and elegant. Adjacent to the living room is the TV lounge, designed for comfort and relaxation. This space features ambient LED lighting, a large wall-mounted TV, and plush seating, ideal for movie nights, game days, or simply unwinding after a long day. It's cozy, stylish, and perfectly balanced. Next, let's head into the kitchen, which is truly the heart of this home. This modern luxury kitchen features sleek blue and gray cabinetry, high-end stainless steel appliances, and a large marble island that doubles as both a prep area and a social hub. Whether you love cooking or entertaining, this kitchen offers both beauty and functionality. Connected seamlessly is the dining area, designed for elegant meals and memorable gatherings. A modern chandelier hangs above the dining table, adding a touch of sophistication. The open layout ensures easy flow between the kitchen, dining, and living spaces, a layout that today's buyers absolutely love. Now, let's explore the master bedroom, a true private retreat. This spacious bedroom continues the blue and gray theme with soft lighting and modern decor. Large windows bring in natural daylight, creating a peaceful and hotel-like atmosphere. This is a space designed for relaxation, comfort, and luxury. The master bathroom feels like a personal spa, featuring premium fixtures, a glass-enclosed shower, a freestanding bathtub, and elegant tile work. This bathroom offers both style and serenity. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to elevate daily living. For fitness enthusiasts, the home also includes a private gym. With modern equipment, mirrored walls, and plenty of natural light, this space allows you to stay active without ever leaving home, a must-have feature in luxury homes today. Let's not forget the garage, which offers ample space for multiple vehicles and features a clean, modern design. It's practical, spacious, and perfectly complements the rest of the home. Finally, step outside to the backyard and swimming pool area. This outdoor space is perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or enjoying sunny days. The modern swimming pool, combined with the blue and gray exterior tones, creates a resort-style atmosphere right in your own backyard. This incredible property truly represents the lifestyle we love to feature here on American Dream Mansions, modern, luxurious, and designed for today's homeowners. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions. Let us know what you think of this home and which feature you love the most. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next luxury home tour.